All right. Let's see how bad this is going to be. Let's start here. Jesus. This way. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Be right back. There we go. Okay, that's how we do it. How about this one? 2. Okay, 2 come out easy. 3. Oh, hey, reverse sequence. I'm supposed to be going the other way. Oh well. Nothing we can do about that now. Jesus Lord. Ugh. Sure, that's good. Okay. Okay, we went all the way back to 14. This is 13 here. Okay, 14, 13 was 12. Oh, of course. 12 back up there. This is 12 up in this corner. Ugh. Ugh. Okay, I guess 11 will be here. I need to get a better view. That way I don't keep moving, y'all. 11. 10 back up here. Here. Ugh. Christ almighty. 9. Ugh. Next to 12. This is 8. Ugh. Ugh. Must be the purple gloves. 7 over here on this side. So we're zigzagging, obviously, but I'll still double check myself. 6. Tell you what, some of these sure are tight and some of them aren't. Cutting back 5 to here. And this is 4. Coming over here to 3, which is loose. I hope I tried to loosen that one up earlier. 2, which I messed up on and loose first, and then 1, which I think I already did. Okay, so we're loose. 14 total. If anybody's seen these before, great. I never have. That's the head studs. These look brand new, like brand new. So I wonder if I should mark these. Yeah, we'll mark them. Just one less thing to do. 11. God bless if I can even write on them. That didn't come out like I wanted it to. I don't think this matters. And my zipper's down too. Come on, booger. Oh, almost fell. Oh my God, did I even hit record? Okay, that's all the head studs. Okay, 14 of them removed and marked. Okay, so we're just supposed to take off the cylinder head now? How heavy is this gun? Should I ever take this bracket off? Now the fun begins, huh? No prying, no nothing. Just need to separate it. How? How do you get this up? If I hook up something into that, I don't have a lifting spot. Can't even get in there. Engine hoist. leg cramp, leg cramp, leg cramp, leg cramp. I beat the holy hell out of it with the mallet. Climbed in here. I think I broke the seal loose. And now I think it's loose. It only weighs about 7 tons. So we gotta try and get this thing out. I don't know how. Okay. I think my best bet is to get in here. Get in here and try to lift it up. Jesus Christ. Usher it up, get out, and then try to lift it up. I don't want my leg to cramp up again. Just give me a second. Let's try this again. Okay, you ready? No, of course. Oh, how the hell? Oh my God. How am I gonna do this? Oh, holy shit. This thing weighs a metric ton. Remember, have the helper do this for you. Okay. Got it out. We made it. Here's the head gasket. There's a little bit of coolant. Okay. Here they are. I'm gonna be honest, I was expecting to see a little, there's a little bit of coolant in there. I can't really see back in there. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. I don't really know what I'm looking at. Okay. We got it. Cylinder head's off. Now I got to get out of the hood and take it inside so we can look at it. I'm going to carry it in, put it on the workbench right here. Oh, shit. Get up there. We definitely got some action going in cylinder 6. Well, I don't know. To be honest, they're all pretty nasty. I was honestly expecting to see a little more evidence off this gasket as to which one was leaking. But when we pulled the rocker arms out of here, it's just milky oil. So I don't know. Let's go look at the engine one more time. So looking back, where I pulled the rocker arm, where I pulled the push rods out that were messed up was this cylinder here. I don't really know, to be honest with y'all, what I'm looking for. The cylinder walls look good. There's some rust back there. Yeah, so cylinder 6. It's got some cylinder 6. Yeah, that's where it was at. So if you can see along the walls there, we definitely got rust formed in there. There's a little bit more at the bottom, and none of the other ones really. And there's actually some coolant in this wall right here. So I don't know if that was from just removing it or what though. But everything else, the first 4 look great. I don't know, there's rust in here too. So maybe that's normal. I don't know, we'll do some reading. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gasket. That's a 6-cylinder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bottom side, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we seal up everything as best we can and order the new head. I'm gonna pause it for now. So excuse the mess on the table, but this is where we're at now. Push rod's out. Cylinder head is off. Obviously the valve cover came out with it. That's what we got accomplished today. I still need to take off this whole piece here for the thermostat because that's going to go on the new cylinder head I get. Or I may just buy a new elbow. I don't know. This is pretty nasty. Let's see if I can clean that up. As far as the saga of the blown head gasket, we're now to ordering parts and putting it back together. This son of a gun is heavy, and I mean heavy. Heavier than I thought. I don't know, maybe 50 pounds. I don't know what it is. It's just so awkward in there. It's out. You saw it. We're good. I'm going to order some stuff tonight, and we're going to start the process of rebuilding it up. I got to do this because I go onto a turnaround where I'm going to be working 2 straight months without a day off. And if I don't get this done now, it's not going to be till June, I think, by the time I finish it. Little surprised. I really thought there'd be a little more evidence of a blown head gasket, but the cylinder walls had some rust on them in a couple spots. The number 6 cylinder looked really rough as far as carbon deposits. I don't know if that's normal. I got to learn all this stuff, so we'll figure it out. But we did it. I'm definitely going to have to clean up this valve cover. It is nasty. So we'll get this all cleaned up, make it look like we did something when it's all said and done. But that does it for today for me. I'm hurting, leg cramps, back's hurting. We did it though. So that completes the removal. Next part will be the reinstall. Really looking forward to that because I got stuff everywhere underneath that hood. Okay guys, well, if you enjoyed it so far, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button, hit all that stuff. I'll link some videos above me. Thank you all if you watched it to the end. I appreciate it. And as always, I will catch y'all next time.